Roomba report. That's right, folks. You know, for years, Bettina and I have joked about having a maid. She even has a name. You know, an example would be perhaps after having a lovely dinner, be like, "Where's Harriet? Did you give her the day off? She on holiday? Who's going to clear the dishes?" Well, folks, I'd love to introduce you to the newest member of our family. That's right, Harriet has arrived. Follow me, folks. Say hello, Harriet. That's right, folks. She goes over tile, hardwood floors, carpet, scattered rugs with fringe. You name it. That's right, folks. She even vacuums under the beds. It's fabulous. Brilliant! That's right, folks. Watch this. That's right, folks. She even knows enough not to go down the stairs. Right, so this is, she's full. The trash can's blinking in red. So this is how you empty her. You just pull this out. And it's actually quite impressive. Look at that, folks. It's been a daily event here on 40 Hersey Street. I must say our house has never been cleaner. The only thing is that she hasn't learned to do dishes yet. All right, that's all for now. See you next week on the slopes. Cheerio.